We've heard from a friend who has a spring loose in her ka8310 Brother linker, and this video is to show her how to locate where the spring should be attached. But it's also a great opportunity to show you how to get into yours if it needs attention. I've sped up this part to double time. You can certainly pause it to see what Jack is working on at any time, but I don't want to bore you with every turn of the screw. When Jack does start talking to you, I warn you there's rain noise in the background, but he has a good strong voice and you should be able to hear him no problem. That last screw releases the cover, and now we're inside where he can clearly see the spring that our friend is having issues with.
All right, this is the spring that our friend has questioned. And in her picture, hers is sticking out here, has a little L. And you can see its natural position is behind this screw post right here where the large coil spring also lives. So that's the answer to her question. It needs to go around behind this screw, which you may need to take the screw out to get this spring off easily, and then put this spring into position behind it and screw it back in.
We hope your 8310 is back to work soon.